Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. I changed your duplicate distance to 0, 0. So what he's doing, he's trying to make, well, let's just don't do that. Make sure there's just, and I could, when you move it, I can see that he must have contoured it. So that's maybe the problem. So I'm going to Control D, and then I'm going to alternate C to put it rotates from the center. And I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees. And it worked. But then when he goes Control D, it doesn't work anymore. And then if you go Control D, it even goes further out. So you could painstakingly do it every time, Control D, alternate C, 120 degrees, but it's going to do it again. So you just place them back. The best way to do it in this case, now Control D would be the best normally. I'm going to put this rotation in the center of the page. And I'm going to go to the Windows, Dockers, and Transform or Transformation. I'm going to get the rotation. I'm going to set it on 60, and I want 5 more. So I'm going to type in 5, and you hit Apply, and it works. Now, I don't know what, I never asked what this is for, but it may be a logo or a kids deal. Object order, back of page. Really makes it kind of stand out. Whoop. And also the lines kind of stand out. So if you want the lines, maybe make them more pronounced like that, or take them and change to that color, kind of make them disappear. Woo. It's kind of a unique deal. So I would maybe put some lines in there if you're looking for the cube look. So anyway, a lot of times Control D, which is Control Duplicate, does that when an item is made up of multiple, well, what it is, it's a blur. He blurred it. So that's the blur effect probably going on there. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.